everybody, welcome to Travel Bonanza.
Sophie?
Hello!
Where are we going?
Haji!
Yeah.
Today we're gonna
Take you on a wild ride through India.
our first experience getting there, entry requirements, what it took us to get into the country in the first place, and then our first experience in the Kerala backwaters, which were
Beautiful.
beautiful. So off we go.
So starting with the entry requirement. Getting into India, much harder than Sri Lanka. They take immigration very seriously. At the moment in India, you can only get a 30-day visa.
Yep.
You also need to either show a test or you need to prove your vaccine status. Vaccine passports are not accepted for every country. Before you go, make sure that you check the website for the most recent list of countries whose vaccine passports are accepted. Off we go. What's happening today, Peter?
Well, do you tell me where we're going?
We are going to Kerala's backwaters today on a little canoeing trip.
How's your eye doing?
Much better. So let me take you on a little journey of what happened on our last day in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, we swam with sharks. We hiked through knuckles in the middle of like literally snake forest. I survived all of that. And then on the last day, we were just in Negombo. I was having a lovely shower. And I leave the shower and according to Pietro, I flop like a fish. I literally just exit the shower and land on my head. Which is why in the following clips you can see me looking a bit scary because I had to get stitches in hospital. So just as a disclaimer, don't get scared when you see like a massive white blob on my eye. Off we go.
Just got on our tuk-tuk with a beautiful green curry and so Raul here is going to be the driver for the day.
Hi.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's very good. It's just I don't know, it's just the way of living. Everybody seems incredibly peaceful here. You see so many locals just like washing their clothes in the river. It's just a different style of living here. It's all relaxed and seems all very
Seems very relaxed.
laid back, very rural.
we've got Spider-Man. Sorry. There you go. That's so key. And again, Disney theme. With our friend like that. Hello, mate. Hey. Here we have to choose our fish. Hey. Hello. Look at that. So I'm thinking 2 prawns and a beautiful fish. Go for it. Perfect. So we're getting some beautiful food. Oh, thank you, madam. Nanni. Okay.
Nanni, namaskar.
Nanni. The main dish has arrived. Beautifully fried fish coated in some banana leaf and massive giant jumbo prawns. I can't wait to taste that.
No idea how to eat this. Zero. I don't know about what.
Look behind you. Maybe ask the dudes behind you.
Oh, okay. I've been inspired.
Let's go with it. There you go. Hot.
Okay, so you remove the skin.
No, you just eat it.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Yeah? Very chill.
Here we are, on our way back.
Look at that beautiful view.
The next day, we went kayaking. We woke up really early at the kayak base at around 5:30 and we left at 6 to see the sunrise.
Morning.
Morning. What are we doing today?
We're going kayaking.
And what time of the day?
5:30 a.m.
Oh, really?
Then I want to get on a kayak. Hey Sophie. Hey. That's the sunrise right there. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that.
So it's roughly 6:30 a.m. There we can see the Peter. And we are kayaking in the backwaters for sunrise. And it's very pretty.
I'd recommend everybody to do the kayaking. It was really, really good. So early in the morning, and just have a look at the sunrise. It was really nice.
Everything is so peaceful and you're just on the water, the sun is rising, everything turns into golden glow of sunrise. It was magical. And it was just us. Like the backwaters get really, really busy. Especially the main area where all the houseboats are. But at 6 a.m. it was just peaceful. Peter developed a obsession with filming his feet or his nose, as you will be able to find.
Filming my feet.
There's a lot in Harry.
Harry. Well, you know.
Nobody wants to see your feet.
Do you want to try?
We stopped in the middle of the backwaters for a chai break, which is when our obsession with chai really started. All the Indians out there, chai is the best.
Great invention, guys. Honestly,
So good.
It's the best.
Someone's returning to their base. I would say that if you want to see the sunrise, the tour of 2 hours for 750 rupees is worth it. But if you want to do the tour of the backwaters, you better go with the 4-hour one. So I think conclusions of the backwaters is it was really beautiful. Now as we walk back, you find this funny?
Yeah.
Right, you go in now. You have to say about the
Kayaking.
yeah.
It was really good fun. Yeah, just a chill group. They played some music. Nice people.
Not even full. So yesterday there was a strike, and now there isn't, and you can see why.
So that was our first experience in India. I'd say positive. So absolutely, if you're in Alleppey, go to the backwaters.
Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you for being here, and thank you to more than 700 people who are following us on this journey.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.